Do you know that just a few changes in your HTML code can boost your website ranking on Google? Stay with me, and I'll show you the best HTML SEO tips and tricks you must use. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about the hidden power of HTML in SEO. These are simple but powerful tricks that can help your website perform better in search results. Let's dive in. 1. Use title tags. Properly always write a unique for every page. Keep it short, clear, and include your main keyword. 2. Meta description. Add a tag with 150 to 160 characters. Make it engaging, because this is what people see on Google. 3. Heading tags. H1 to H6. Every page must have only one tag. Use for subtopics. Insert keywords naturally. 4. Image alt attributes. Always add alt equals text for your images. Describe the image with keywords. This improves Google image ranking too. 5. URL structure. Keep URLs short and clean. Example, mysite.com/SEO-tips instead of mysite.com/page, !ID equals 123. 6. Internal linking. Use links to connect your content. This keeps visitors on your site longer and helps Google understand your structure. 7. Mobile-friendly HTML ad. Makes your site responsive and Google loves that. And that's it. These simple HTML SEO tips and tricks can give your website a big ranking boost. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more SEO tips every week.